A roller coaster. A wild ride. Along for the ride. Get into the swing of things. In full swing. Let something slide. On a slippery slope. Play by the rules. Play hardball. Play second fiddle. Slide into something. Taken for a ride. Take a swing at. Take the plunge. The pendulum swings.
Love English? Love fun? Then hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson.